Hello, this is graphics simplified, the easiest way to remove background images on your image. Any image at all you want to remove the background. It's very simple and very easy. So I'm going to take you on the hacks, the tricks of removing image background without editing. This is automatic. You're not going to edit anything. You're only going to use a website to remove the background, and you can use the image in whatever design you want to do. So let's get started. This is my Firefox browser, and the website for the removing of background, image background. You can do this on your phone, you can do this on your laptop, whatever device you're using, you can be able to use it, and you get it done very quickly and simple. The website is remove.bg. So bg for background, remove.bg. So this website is going to help us to remove any background image of our choice. If you are working with your designs for Facebook, for advertisement, or whatever you want to do, you are designing with your mobile phone, you are designing with your laptop, and the easiest way to remove background, just come to www.remove.bng. Then here we see upload image, and we are going to upload an image here and remove the background. Very simple. So no editing is required. This is very simple. Okay, so we are going to select an image here. This says capture is uploading, so we have to wait for it to upload. And then, so look at this image. We need this lady, only the lady. Okay, so and the laptop here. So we have gotten what we need. So the background is off, and we have only the picture of the lady and the laptop here. So we can click on download, and it will be downloaded. Complete action using Firefox, the Firefox download. Okay, so click this once and it's downloaded. So we are going to open this later. Let's check another example of removing image background. So we are going to cancel this, and then we select another image, upload another image, then file manager, and let's go to downloads. You can see here we have the one we just removed the background here, the first one is. So let's check another one. Let's check this. If you are preparing, you have design, you are selling something and you want to remove the background of to have capture what the item you are selling. So we are remove the background of this. Okay, could not identify foreground. I think there's a mix up here. So let's check another one. So we scroll to select an image to remove the background. So we have this. So it's getting prepared, uploading, and it remove it as usual. So we have to wait for it just within a minute, and it's done. It's removing, and boom. Very simple and very easy. Do you see how clear this is? So we click on download and we get it downloaded. So you can virtually use this in whatever design you want to use. In Canva, you can use it in your Canva, and you have a plain background. Alright, so we cancel this. So you can do as many as you wish to do. Let's check another one. Upload, file manager. So check another one here. So we scroll to check another image to remove the background. Let's try this. Uploading, done uploading, and do you see that? This is like magic. Very clear and very simple. So that's how to exactly remove the background of an image and then use the image for your designs, like we have done on having Canva, how to design with Canva. You can use this on your Canva, you can use this Photoshop, you can use this anywhere. You know, in Photoshop you can actually remove background with Photoshop with editing, but this particular one is what? Automatic, right? So this is very simple and that's the easiest way you can remove image background. So we click on download to get it downloaded, and this once. Okay, so let's check our design or the images we have removed the background. Let's check them and see how clear they are. So this is download folder, and you can see this very clear, this also clear, and this also clear. So this is very simple. And now let's check how we can add this on our Canva design. Here we are inside Canva, and we have gone through on how to do some designs on Canva. Therefore, let's check a particular sample and replace it with an image. So this says social media. Let's check a sample here and use what we have designed so far, or the image we have removed the background for our design here. So you can virtually select any sample of your choice. It doesn't matter what you are selecting, it just depends on what you are designing. So this is just a little sample we are going to use, and so let's check this. Or we can try this, then edit. So if you already know how to remove background on Photoshop, this is simple, easy, and it saves you a lot of time. So you better use this or remove your background with remove.bg and then export the image on Photoshop and continue your design. So you won't afford the time to waste on removing background with Photoshop, where you have the simplest way of doing so. So we click on this image to replace it with what we have designed, or what the image we have removed the background so far. You can use this. Okay, so as you can see, or we can actually use this. Very nice. All right, so let's actually see the original picture of this before we remove the background. So we go ahead and click this. So go to our the download folder and let's check the original, how it will be. So this is the original before we remove the background. So do you see? How do you see this? So which do you prefer? The one with background or the one without background? So the choice is yours. So very simple. So let's use this. This is preferable without background. Okay, so that's exactly how. So if you prefer, depending on what you are designing, you can edit this, you save it, and whatever you need it for is posting on social media for your sales or your marketing, whatever you need to do with your design, that's left for you to do. But this is actually how to remove the background of an image and use it on your design. So I hope you enjoyed this, and also you have learned how easy it is to remove the background of an image. So thank you.